So in today's video, I will tell you that how you can be able to get rent assistance through Centrelink. Rent assistance is an additional payment from Centrelink to help people who receive certain income support payments and pay rent. Here is how to apply for rent assistance in Australia. Eligibility check. First, determine if you are eligible for rent assistance. Generally, you may be eligible if you receive a qualifying Centrelink payment like job seeker payment, age pension, disability support, pension or parenting payment. Pay rent in time. Meet the rent threshold for your situation. Now I'm going to tell you the steps to apply for rent assistance. Number 1, link Centrelink to MyGov account. If you haven't already done so, you will need to link your Centrelink account to your MyGov account. Visit the MyGov website, log in and link Centrelink by following the prompts. Number 2, provide rent details. You need to update your rent details with Centrelink. You can do this online through your Centrelink online account via MyGov, or you can do it by phone or in person at a Centrelink service center. Log in to your MyGov account, select Centrelink from the linked services, go to update your details section, select accommodation details and update your information. And how you can do it through phone, call Centrelink customer service line and provide your updated rent detail. The contact number for Centrelink is generally 132468, but it's best to check the Services Australia website for most current contact information. Okay, if you're going to go in person to see someone in Centrelink, visit a Centrelink service center, provide your rent details and any necessary documents such as lease agreement or rent receipts. Number 3, submit supporting documents. You may need to provide evidence of your rent. This could include a lease agreement or tenancy agreement, rent receipts or letter from your landlord or real estate agent. You can submit these documents online, upload them through your Centrelink online account, in person, take them to a Centrelink service center. Number 4, wait for assessment. Centrelink will assess your eligibility based on the information and documents you provide. If you are eligible, rent assistance will be added to your regular Centrelink payment. There are some additional information you need to know. Notification. You will be notified of the outcome of your application through your MyGov account, by mail or through your preferred contact method. Rent assistance is regularly reviewed. Ensure your details are always up to date to avoid any interruption in your payments. For more detailed information, visit the Service Australia Rent Assistance page or contact Centrelink directly for assistance. Alright, so the most important question here is how much rent you can get. The amount of rent assistance you can get depends on how much rent you pay. There is a minimum amount of rent you need to pay to get rent assistance. For every $1 of rent you pay above this amount, you will get 75 cents. You can't get more than the maximum amount. We update rent assistance rate on 20 March and 20 September each year. Rates when paid with income support payments and ABS study. Rent assistance rate that apply if you get it with an income support payment. If you are a single person, fortnightly you will get $146. To get the maximum payment, your fortnightly rent is at least $396.94. Single sharer, same, fortnightly maximum is $313. If you are a couple or combined, you get rent assistance $236. Maximum payment, your fortnightly rent is at least $472.87. One of a couple separated due to illness, partner in respite care, $146 fortnightly, $396 maximum. One of a couple temporarily separated, $146, $382 fortnightly maximum. Alright, so here I am on to the Service Australia website, and the information here about getting rent assistance, I'm going to share it with you. Most of it I have already shared, but there is something which I did not share, is this one. You can also tell us by using Express Plus Centrelink mobile app. So this Centrelink Express Plus app you can install or download on your mobile, and let's have a look about this app. Express Plus Centrelink mobile app, you can manage most of your Centrelink information with us using the mobile app. Watch our video about the Express Plus Centrelink mobile app. So you can watch this video on this website to get more information about rent assistance. How to download and set up the app? Just simply go onto your app store on your Android phone or Apple phone and download it from there. Let's click this link and what it says. Let's see what it says. You can download and set up Express Plus Centrelink mobile app on your mobile or tablet. You need to have Centrelink online account and MyGov account to use the app. If you don't have Centrelink online account and MyGov account, you will need to create one. You will need your Centrelink reference number, CRN number, to register for an online account. You will then need to link your Centrelink online account to MyGov. You can use MyGov online help guide. When you have set up your Centrelink online account, you can download and use the Express Plus Centrelink mobile app. If the operating system on your device is not up to date, you can either download the latest software for your device, use your Centrelink online account through MyGov, set up the app. That's how you set up the app on your mobile phone. You will need to set up your app before you use it. You can do this by following these steps. Select Start Now. Read and accept the Express Plus terms and conditions. Enter your MyGov sign-in details. Create or use your PIN. You will use your MyGov PIN every time you sign into your app. Keep in mind the app will log out if you haven't used it for 15 minutes. Next, what you can do. You can use Express Plus Centrelink mobile app to check and update your information on report income in your language, upload documents, request documents, payment destination, change of circumstances, create your voice print. Learn about how you can use Express Plus Centrelink app. After you claim a payment through your Centrelink online account, you can track most claims, view your payment and transaction history, view, save and print your letters, upload or request documents, view your digital cards. You can also use the app to manage your basic card, advance payment, Centrelink deduction for tax, Centrelink debts. You can view and update your detail using the app, including report and update your employment income, your family income estimate and payment choice, your personal details including your bank detail, your employment status if you are a student, older Australian or parent getting parenting payment. Report income in your language. You can report your income in English, Arabic, Vietnamese, Persian and Chinese simplified using the app. This option isn't available in your Centrelink online account. To report in one of the available language, you need to change the language setting on your device before you report. You will only need to do this once. For Apple iOS device, follow these steps. Open settings, select general, select language and region, select iPhone language, search for the language you want to change or select it from the list. Select to change to the language you want to choose. Exit setting to go back to your home screen. For Android devices, follow these steps. Open setting, select general management, select language, select add a language, select the language from the list you want to change. Exit setting to go back to your home screen. When you access the app is available 24 hours, 7 days a week. There may be a short break for service update between 12 AM to 6 AM. The Express Plus Centrelink mobile app is available for Apple device with iOS 12 and above, Android device with 6.0 and above. We recommend you download update when they are available. You can change your device setting to allow an automatic update on your device. Make sure you sign out every time you finish using this app. To sign out, select more, then sign out. Follow the prompt. When you do this, message will say you have successfully signed out. If you don't see this message, you haven't signed out of the app yet. The app will sign you out if you haven't used it for 15 minutes. Multiple people using single device. Each person must have their own account in the app for security reasons. I hope you found these information really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for all the latest upcoming videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.